Hello guys, welcome to Vision Shares. I'm going to be starting a new video series which is actually going to be about stocks. So this video is going to be a continuous daily reels probably whenever I'm there at home तो मैं record कर लूँगा अगर मैं बाहर हूँ तो नहीं हो पाएगा लेकिन I'll try my best. तो ठीक है मेरे सामने भी laptop है and I've opened my Grow account. This is not a promotional video by the way. I use Grow because I find it very convenient compared to all the other softwares that I've heard about. So whatever software you're using, the charts will be the same, the trends will be the same, so you can do it on your own software. So anyway, let's get started. So today's video and the coming all videos will be just me analyzing every stock there is on the stock screener, and I will be telling you whether the stock should be bought at this point or should it be sold or should it be held on to on whatever day that we are going to be checking the stock on. So right now I don't want to go on a very how the list is. I won't go on that. I will probably just look on the trend line that is here. As you can see, there is a trend pattern showing on this list. That is the stock screener. Let me show you again. So this is the screener and you get a list of all the stocks based on their market capitalization. So I won't go one by one. I'll just go randomly, or there is a section on the Grow account where it shows the top gainers and the top losers and the top by volume and 52-week high and 52-week low. So 52-week low, there is nobody right now. Anyway, I hope you will enjoy this series. Stick to the end. Every day will be a short or a reel or maybe a bit longer. I will try to keep it as short as possible, but this video is the introductory video, so it is going to be definitely long. Okay, so stay tuned and here we go. So right now, as you can see, I am on the top gainers list and Adani Enterprise has the most gained on today's session. It gained 2.58%. That is a very big percent because it is Adani Enterprises. Adani is always, any change in Adani is always big. It is never small. So the first step that I do while analyzing which stock to buy is I look at the 52-week low and the 52-week high, and I decide whether to buy the stock or not based on where the current price is on that scale. So if it was on the lower side, there was a more chance for me to buy because there is more chance of making profit on it. But since it is already touching a 52-week high, it does not make any sense for me at least to buy this, because for me right now this comes off as very less probability of making a profit. I don't see 52-week high stocks going much higher than they already are. So I will probably skip this, but just for you and the new viewers to understand what this video is going to be about. So let's assume that this was a lower side. It was near the 52-week low. So what would I have done next is I would have clicked on the technical chart, which shows the technical aspect. Right now you can see the Bollinger Bands is on. I have pre-selected all my technical indicators, that is Bollinger Bands, and I have put 3 moving averages, which tells me how the trend is supposed to go. The moving average is just like the MACD indicator, but MACD is a much more present timing indicator. A moving average is considered a little more delayed as compared to the MACD, and MACD is this one. As you can see, the volume has been decreasing. That means there has been more buys in these sessions. Buy, highest buy, and then it started being sold, and the sell started increasing, and at this juncture it started to decrease again. I mean, the sell started to decrease, as you can see, hence it is green, and there was a major buy, and this was a big green candle. So it looks good to me. And this is the RSI indicator. The RSI indicator tells you whether the stock is in an overbought situation or if it is in the oversold situation. The generic levels for RSI is the 70 and the 30 levels, but I set my levels as 60 and 40. Hence you can see that since it is in the 68, the stock is in the 68 session, that is why it is showing as overbought. because I kept my levels at 60. Now I keep this at 60 because the minute it reaches above 60 and or 65, it shows me a positive note that there has been a good buy session going on. And the minute it reaches before 70 and 65 and there are multiple good indicators, it tells me a very very good decision to buy. It gives me more probability to make the decision of buy. But right now Adani Enterprise, even though it is very 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 overly priced, I wouldn't buy this, at least for me, because I don't see any prospects in buying this. I'm a very cautious guy when it comes to profit making or even deciding which stock to buy. I might choose like 2 or 3 stocks out of 50 stocks because the filtering for me is a lot. I'm not a risk taker at all. My motivation and my motives is to make profit, doesn't matter how long it is. But when I feel that the profit is going to be made, it is going to be made. Anyway, so this is the basic structure of how the videos are going to go. If you like this video, watch it entirely. I'm going to be speeding this up, so this video will be almost 5 to 6 minutes maybe. But from tomorrow, the reels and the shorts will definitely be coming very very short. I will be speed running through all stocks one by one every day till the stock screener, all the stocks are over. Hopefully I can do that and we all live through it. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, family, colleagues, whoever is interested into the stock market. And please 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 hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the follow button. भाई कुछ भी करो लेकिन अपने को सब्सक्राइबर चाहिए, अपने को फॉलोअर चाहिए. So do it right now.